Good morning, class 3. Children, I hope you all are fine. And after some serious discussion or the chapter that was related to file management, now we shall be starting a very interesting chapter, that is fun with paint. And in this chapter, as the name is suggesting, you will be learning about paint application. Okay, so let's start it. In this lesson, what are we going to study? Identification of the commands and tools, identification of commands and shapes group on the ribbon using brush, text, color picker, curve and polygon, using select and free form select, and then differentiation between cut plus paste and copy plus paste. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Introduction. You have learned about the paint program in Windows in class 2. You know that it is used to make drawings on computer. Recall that the ribbon contains two parts, that is tabs and groups. So I'm sure you must have studied a bit about paint in class 2, and even if you have not, still it is a very easy application. You know that it is used to make drawings, as we can make out from the name also. Recall that the ribbon contains two parts, that is tabs and groups. So what is the ribbon? This whole is a ribbon and it contains two parts, that is different tabs, 1 and 2, like that. And in other applications, like you have studied about Word, in that there are more tabs, but here there are two tabs, and in the tabs, in a particular tab, like in this case in Home tab, some commands are grouped together as per their functionality or as per their purpose. So they are different groups, like Home is a tab, then View is a tab, but here we can see Clipboard is a group, then Image is a group, then Tools is a group, then Shapes is a group. Like that, there are various groups. Okay, so this is ribbon and these are groups. Till now, you are aware of the use of line, rectangle, oval, fill with color, pencil, magnifier, eraser and brushes. So, you are aware of the uses of these tools. Now, look at the tools and shapes group in the Home tab of the ribbon. So, we are going to study different tools other than these tools which are available in this ribbon. Okay, and what we have to see, tools and shapes group. So we will concentrate on tools and shapes groups. Fine, children? Now in this picture on page number 60, you can see this is tools group. So there are various tools here. Let's start from the first, from here, and then clockwise we will move. First one is fill with color, then text, then brushes. You can see various brushes are there. Magnifier, this is picker, this is color picker, this is eraser, and this is pencil. So these are various tools, and here we can see shapes. So first is from the top we will start curve, then let's start from line, curve, then rectangle, then oval shape, this is oval shaped. And these are various other tools. You can see here triangle, different kind of triangles. Then this is arrow. Here polygon is also marked. Okay, polygon is a closed surface with more than 3 sides. Okay, till 3 sides we can call it triangle. Okay, but more than that, then square is there, then other pentagon, hexagon, like that. So in collectively we can call them as polygon. Okay, now brushes. So we will learn about what is the use of brush tool, plus what does it contain. Brushes contains different kinds of brushes used for free hand drawings. These are calligraphy brush, airbrush, watercolor brush, oil brush, along with marker, natural pencil and crayon. This helps us to write text till here crayon. Okay, so when you will click on this button brushes, it will show you a drop down menu in which various kinds of brushes are there. Okay, and you can choose them and you can try working with them on the screen, and then you will get to know which brush you are comfortable with or which brush you want to use. Okay, now text. Text is, this helps us to write text in a selected area. When we are making any painted document, at times we want to write also there. Suppose it can be a heading, or we want to do the marking, or we want to add some detail with it. So at that time we can make use of this tool, that is text, which helps us to write text in a selected area. Then curve. Curve helps us to draw curved lines. Okay, so for straight lines we can use straight line tool, but for curved lines we can use this one. Okay, and this is a very interesting tool. When you will use it, you will realize that how funny it looks. Then color picker is used to choose color of shapes we draw. So we can choose color of the various shapes which we are drawing. Then polygon helps us to draw a flat shape with usually 2 or more straight sides and angles. It is a closed figure. So I told you, as I told you that it is a closed figure and with 2 or more sides. Okay, till 3 sides we call it a triangle when it is closed, and for more than that it can be a rectangle, it can be a square, it can be pentagon with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides, hectagon with 7 sides. Like that it will keep on increasing. Okay, so that we can draw using polygon. Fine. So we will do it till here today. And what you have to do, if you have system at your home, you can try this out. You can try these tools under the guidance of your parents. Okay, and if you don't have, then I will send you the practical video afterwards. In that also you can see. Okay children, so we shall meet in the next period now. Bye bye, take care.